Hello, I'm Alan McNabb with Image Building Media, and today in this video tutorial I'm showing you how to use the Yoast SEO WordPress plugin. Just going to be a quick demonstration to just show you a few basics. So we've got the Yoast SEO plugin that is already activated, and we're just going to use the default settings for that. So here we are at the home page with a website for gifts for twin moms, and twin dads, parents with twins. And so we're just going to go into that page, just click to edit that page. And now you just simply scroll down here and you see that we've got the Yoast SEO, and you can change the title now at this point. So these are defaults that are just put in there, so I'm just going to backspace and get rid of those. So what we want to do is we want to have a title. We want to use the some keywords that are important to us with this website. And once we get the information here in the Yoast plugin, then you also want to work on your home page and the text that is there with your home page, and include those keywords there. A lot more goes into it, like backlinks from other websites, also interlinking between pages on your website. So let me mention very quickly, with imagebuildingmedia.com, you can go into education. You can come down here. We've got a lot of articles regarding SEO, and you can come into this section and you can learn a lot about that. There's also a lot of others, such as Neil Patel, that you can also go, and he's got a lot of YouTube videos. You can go and learn from there. Just go to neilpatel.com. All right, so one of the most important things is discovering what those keywords are. So just using an inexpensive online app such as Longtail Pro, you can just put in some major keywords. It will give you it'll give you some of the keywords related to that. You can click through and you can see the pages online that those go to. So I've chosen for this to use mother of twins gifts as our basic idea here. You can see the page titles here, like with Mother of Twins. This is Etsy. Twin Mom Gifts. This is Amazon. Best Gifts for Mom of Twins with mom.com. And so that gives you some ideas right there. Also, say I want to take with my Mother of Twins idea right here. And you can see what Google is bringing up top suggestions here. So this is real super important. And once I say, for example, Mother of Twins Gifts, then there you see Etsy, there you see Amazon, there you see mom.com. But you can go down to the very bottom and you can see these keywords that are suggested by Google, so you know that they are very important and high ranking. So that's a couple of easy ways to do that. All right, so I'm going to go into here. I'm going to go to the title. This is our main thing that we're going to be working on. And let me pause you a second while I just sort of work on it a moment. All right, so I'm going to start with my SEO title, Gifts for Moms of Twins - Mother of Twins Gift, Pipe, novalife.com. So, getting an SEO title is not one and done. It's getting a good start. It's watching what's happening with your analytics and then perfecting this over time, especially as the behavior changes of your prospective clientele, those that would buy your products. Then you want to be moving and changing as those things change. So, so next we're going to do the description. Now, the meta description is not a ranking signal for Google. However, it does affect it in the fact that the more people who see the search result and click on it, now that is a ranking signal for Google. So you want to have a description that's going to encourage people to click to learn more about that. Oftentimes including this keyword, because that's why they came here anyway, including this keyword is going to help. So with our results here, we looked at Etsy. So I opened up that page. Now I'm going to right click. I'm going to open up the source code, and then I'm going to do a search here, find, for the description that's on the page. And here is their description. Check out our Mom of Twins selection for the very best in unique or custom handmade pieces from our shops. Okay, so now that's Etsy particular to them. So we can bring this over, and just to have a starting point, although we don't want to copy, that would do us no good. So we want to have something unique, and I want to pause this a second. All right, so here we got the description. I took those keywords, went to the front page, pulled off some of the most important things there, and then came up with our meta description. All right, so the next thing I want to also show you how to do, what to do, and of course there's a lot of good information in here that you can check out and analysis. I'm going to go to social. So here we want to set a featured image, and we also want to set our social media images. So let me go and check those out real quick, and then I'll come back. All right, so I'm just going to pick image here for demonstration purposes. So we're going to get here, which is one of the products. Also here, I'll go on and let you know here with, we want to have here a title, and also we need alt text on all of the images that go in here for ADA compliance. And it's got to be different, can't be the same. All right, so I'm going to come over here in social. I'm going to again choose the same image. Can choose different images, and you can just use the default description that you have set up in the metadata for the SEO description, or you can change the title and description here with these. All right, so we're going to update this right here. I want to pause you, open up the page, and I'll show you how to check the source code. All right, so here we are back at the home page. I'm just going to right click. I'm going to view page source, and you can come down to the metadata right here. You can see the title. Here's the title that we put in, and then you can come down here and you can see the description. Here's the description that we put in. So we're good to go. At this point, we want to watch the analytics. We want to see the effectiveness of the title, the description, the images, etc., like that, and then make changes as we go. Because believe me, just changing a few words in the title can make huge differences. So you want to watch it. You want to maybe try a few different things. You want to try to see what can truly boost up your rankings, effective title and description. So that's how we use the Yoast SEO plugin for WordPress, and I hope you have a great day.